In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off flashlight on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm gonna show you two different ways how we can easily turn off flashlight on our iPhone. As you can see, now I have flashlight turned on, and let's start with the first method. And to do that, to use this method, actually we need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. That's where you should find the flashlight shortcut, and by tapping at this shortcut we can easily turn on and off flashlight on our iPhone. Another method that you can use is to turn off flashlight from the lock screen. To do that, first off, we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up lock screen or notification center, and that's where we can easily find flashlight button. We need to long press on it to turn on, and in the same way we can turn off flashlight using this method. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.